June 1984, Operation Blue Star. Was the operation well planned and well executed? Did the army misjudge the situation? Find out in our special series, Operation Blue Star, The Untold Story.
From Mujrim to Alim, 69 Burrell jail prisoners received school, college and postgraduate degrees this week. These are men who have got a late start on the road to self-improvement, but better late than never. When they finish their time in jail, they will be qualified to do something productive and honest. Let's take a look.
The men and women who wind up behind bars are there because they have committed some crime, but what pushes people into crime in the first place? It is no secret that for the most part, crime rises out of poverty and ignorance. Education increases a person's life opportunities, and opportunities lead up from poverty. And that's what makes the sight of Burrell jail prisoners waking up to the dais to receive school, college and postgraduate degrees so heartening. These are the men who have got a late start on the road of self-improvement. But better late than never. When they finish their time in jail, they will be qualified to do something productive and honest. The convocation was held earlier this week and saw 69 prisoners receive their degrees and certificates from Balbir Singh Dole, the Additional Inspector General Police.
एजुकेशन तो हम पहले से ही दे रहे थे, लेकिन क्योंकि बाकी लोगों को चाहते हैं हम और भी देख के वहाँ मोटिवेट हो जाएं, और जब ये मोटिवेट तभी होते हैं जब हम उनको कोई एक तरह का ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी देंगे। कल हमने एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देने की कोशिश की है ताकि जब वो देखते हैं कि हमारे साथी जो है एक यूनिवर्सिटी की तरह डिग्री हासिल कर रहे हैं, तो हम क्यों ना ऐसा काम करें जो इन्होंने किया है। तो इसलिए उनको जो है एक पॉजिटिविटी उनमें लाने के लिए, ताकि वो अपना जो फ्री टाइम है कहीं गलत सोच की बजाय वो अच्छी जगह पे लगाएं।
Most of the prisoners were enrolled in courses offered by Indira Gandhi National Open University, and as a special consideration, their fees were waived. Burrell Jail also makes special arrangements to conduct examination behind bars. The AIGP said there are 2 prisoners in Burrell Jail who acquired PhDs while in prison. These prisoners are now teaching their fellow inmates. Likewise, the prisoner MA students teach prisoner graduate students and in turn teach prisoners who are still at school level. This year, 9 men who were illiterate when they were sent to prison succeeded in passing class 8th.
यहाँ तक भी है कि हमारे पास जो बिल्कुल अंगूठा छाप थे कुछ लोग, उन्होंने 8th क्लास इस बार की है। पहले उनका हमने 5th का दिलवाया था 2-3 साल पहले, अब उन्होंने 8th का एग्ज़ाम दिया है। सो इस तरह फिर हम उसको 10th में ले जाएंगे, 12th में ले जाएंगे, लाइक दिस।
Aside from academic courses, the jail also helps prisoners to acquire certification for vocational skills. Among the courses are plumbing, sanitary work, baking and food production, and fabric painting. The jail will soon be expanding its vocational training program with an eye on market demands. He claimed that some companies are offering jobs to these students.
उनको 2 फ़ायदे इसके हो रहे हैं। एक तो टाइम की यूटिलिटी हो रही है, दूसरी वो क्वालिफिकेशन एक्वायर कर रहे हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, कल हमारे पास उनके एक चेयरमैन थे डिप्लास्ट, जो वाटर टैंक बनाते हैं और उनका प्लम्बिंग का काम होता है। उन्होंने हमारे पास 8 लोगों ने 6 महीने का वहाँ कोर्स किया, कोर्स सर्टिफिकेट उनको मिले हैं, और उन्होंने उसी टाइम उनको ऑफ़र कर दिया कि whenever they will go out, we will give them the employment.
More than 410 inmates have got enrolled in different educational and vocational courses. They will also get the benefit of placement services when they are released. With cameraman Mukesh Pandey, for Priyanka Negi, this is Bharti Sharma for Day and Night News, Chandigarh.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।